Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel 3D Multimedia. So today we'll be looking at named entity recognition using spaCy. So if you want to know about how to perform named entity recognition using NLTK, you can refer my previous video. Okay, let us start the session now. Named entity recognition (NER) with spaCy library is a powerful tool for identifying and classifying entities such as names of people, organizations, location, dates, and more within a text. So if you want to work with spaCy library, first we have to install it. But just remember, if you're using Google Colab, then it's not necessary to install because it works. So you can directly import and it works fine. But if you're using Jupyter Notebook and if you want to import spaCy, then this will not work since we have not installed it. I have installed spaCy into Jupyter Notebook. So now you can see here. Okay, so I have installed it. Okay, so now let me run this. Okay, so it got executed. Okay, this is for the Jupyter Notebook, but if you are using Google Colab, I already told you, right, it is not necessary to install spaCy. It works fine. Okay, so now let us come to the Google Colab again. Okay, so once we have installed spaCy, okay, then you'll be installing this particular model, Python-m spaCy download English underscore core underscore web underscore small. So this particular line has to be executed if you're using again Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so what is this? This command uses Python to run the spaCy module -m spaCy and then instructs spaCy to download a specific pre-trained model. En refers English, okay, underscore core underscore web underscore sm. Here the en refers English language. So spaCy can also perform operations on other languages such as Spanish, Finnish, or German. Okay, here the core signifies it can be used for general purpose pipelines such as tagging, parsing, lemmatization, and NER. And web refers that the model was trained on web, and SM refers small. So by downloading the model, we will have the access to the pre-trained spaCy model for English text processing, including NER. Okay, so when a text is passed into NLP, it goes through each of the pipeline as shown in the image. So a text in a form of sentence, okay, or a paragraph, when it is sent to this NLP, so it goes for the first step like tokenizer, then tagger, parser, NER, and then finally it is processed as a document. Okay, so let us import spaCy now. So spaCy is a popular Python library for NLP tasks and it provides pre-trained models for NER. So once the spaCy has been imported, we have to load the pre-trained English NER model. Okay, en underscore core underscore web underscore sm, that is refers small. Okay, so let us load it and store it under NLP. Okay, so once this has been loaded, we'll be providing a sample sentence here like Elon Musk is the CEO of Tesla. He was born on June 28, 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa. And we'll save it to the variable called text. Okay, so once it has been saved, now let us process the text with spaCy. For that, we'll be using NLP of the sentence, right? The input is nothing but the sentence. It will be given here. So NLP in this bracket, okay, and it will be stored under document, doc. Okay, now let us iterate over the entities recognized in the text. Okay, so entity.text, whatever text was there, right, we have to give the corresponding entity. Okay, and let us label it. For that, let us run this for loop. Okay, now see here, now this Elon Musk has been recognized as person. So person is nothing but the entity. Tesla is referred as organization, and June 28, 1971 has been recognized as date. Pretoria and South Africa is referred as GP, geopolitical entity. Okay, so here we have printed the entity text and entity label. If you have liked this video, okay, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel 3D Multimedia. Thank you.